The 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike isn't just a motorcycle. It's a luxurious throne on three wheels, designed for riders who want the ultimate in comfort, power, and road presence. If you're someone who loves long-distance riding but values balance and safety, this trike is built just for you. Let's start with what powers this beast. Underneath its aerodynamic fairing is Honda's legendary 1833cc flat-six engine. It delivers an impressive 125 horsepower and about 130 pound-feet of torque. That means smooth acceleration, effortless highway cruising, and enough punch to pull ahead even when fully loaded with gear and a passenger. The 2026 model also brings back the beloved dual-clutch transmission, Honda's DCT system that gives you automatic gear shifts with the feel of a manual. No more clutch lever, no more foot shifting, just smooth, intelligent power delivery whether you're in the city or cruising down Route 66. But what truly sets the Gold Wing Trike apart is its factory-built three-wheel chassis. Unlike aftermarket kits that can look bulky or unbalanced, this design is fully integrated. It feels solid, smooth, and exceptionally stable, especially on tight turns or during slow-speed maneuvers. Plus, it features a reverse gear and walking mode, making parking and backing up a breeze. Now let's talk about comfort. The seat is like a leather recliner with heating elements built in. There's tons of legroom for both the rider and passenger, plus integrated armrests and a wraparound backrest. Long-distance fatigue, not with this ride. Tech-wise, Honda didn't hold back. You get a 7-inch TFT screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, navigation, Bluetooth audio, and even voice control. It's basically a luxury car dashboard on a bike. And yes, it comes with an airbag too, one of the very few motorcycles in the world that can say that. Storage space, you bet. The rear trunk and saddlebags give you more than enough room for luggage, helmets, or even groceries. Touring 2 up across the country? No problem. Handling is surprisingly nimble for such a big machine. Thanks to its low center of gravity, adjustable suspension, and traction control, the Gold Wing Trike glides through corners and keeps you planted in wet or slippery conditions. Ride quality is plush, like floating on a cloud. And what about safety? You get adaptive cruise control, lane assist alerts, and even blind spot monitoring. Combine that with the stability of three wheels, and it becomes one of the safest motorcycles you can tour on. So who is this trike for? It's not just for older riders or people switching from two wheels. This is for anyone who wants the smoothest, safest, and most luxurious ride possible. It's a bold machine for bold people. Pricing will vary based on market and options, but expect it to range between $35,000 and $45,000. It's not cheap, but then again, luxury never is. Availability is expected by late 2025 as a 2026 model, and demand will be strong, so act fast if you're interested. In the end, the 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike isn't just a ride, it's a lifestyle. It's about going far, going in style, and never compromising on comfort or control. If you like this review, give it a thumbs up and drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you ride the Gold Wing Trike? Or are two wheels still your thing? Thanks for watching ST Auto Car. We'll be back with another amazing machine real soon.